Hey there, I hope you're doing good. I've had a dry spell where, well, that's a pun. The Hurricane Florence came through, so it wasn't a dry spell, it was a very wet spell. Lots and lots and lots of rain and flooding and stuff, but I'm safe and well. And I had done videos from last week that I was able to continue to post, but it's been many days since I poured. And I am chomping at the bit to do it. So today I'm going to do a 20 by 20 canvas. Push pins on the bottom. So it's a big square. And I want to do a big flower and I want to blow it. And this is going to be purely experimental because I've only blown a few projects with it is a 2100 powered blow dryer. It's in my Amazon link below all my videos. It has an attachment that narrows the air down to a specific area. The cool part about it is it has a cool setting, which a lot of blow dryers do not have a cool setting. This one has a cool setting so it doesn't heat your paint and dry it too quickly. So I'm going to attempt to do it with this and I hope it works. If not, it's going to turn into something totally different. I wanted to do, because I love purple so much, I wanted to do purple with maybe some hot pink in it and white, that kind of thing. So I mixed dioxazine purple, which is really, really dark, and lightened it up just a bit with Prism Violet, and that's Soho Urban Acrylic and Liquitex Basics Prism Violet, Artist Loft Deep Magenta, and I added some Waverly by Plaid Fuchsia. This color here is Cranberry, and I added white to it to pale it out a little bit. And then I've got, this one is called Purple from Master's Touch, which is from Hobby Lobby. And the purple, compared to anybody else's purple, is like pale purple. It's like lavender. And then I've got my white. So these are the colors I'm going to mix up, and I'm going to speed through it, but and I've got Artist Loft White Flow Acrylic for my base and my white. Everything is going to be mixed 50-50 with Owatrol Easy Flow. They are kind and gracious to send me product, and I demo it, but I actually love it a little bit better than I do Floetrol. And it's a 1-to-1 ratio, and then I add water. So I'm going to get started, and you can just watch. Okay, everything is mixed. I've got my wet paint on my canvas. Got my blow dryer ready. And I'm ready to see if I can tackle this pour. And I had seen somebody on YouTube do it. I don't know who it was, but I've done a few others where I use a blow dryer, and I just love the idea of trying to work out a flower. So here we go. And I'm going to put it back on fast forward to do all this. So I'm going to lay out the colors. And when I was mixing, you saw that I kind of put some of this dioxazine purple in the lighter purple, mainly because I needed to add more water to the purple, this dioxazine purple. And there is no silicone in any of these paints. Okay, so it's really easy to blend in with the blow dryers you're going. So I was trying There's a lot of paint on this canvas. So even though I didn't put silicone in, there's cells popping up, as you can see. There's usually always cells when you're working with paint and adding Floetrol or Owatrol. There's always going to kind of be cells that pop up. It's rare that you don't get it otherwise. Now I don't have any splash marks over here, and I do here, so I don't know. I don't want to ruin that edge there. I could tilt, but I'm not going to. I think it's pretty much okay. I wanted a little bit more definition and separation of petals, but I put way too much paint on the canvas, and it's not going to happen because there's so much paint. It's spreading, so there's no way I can separate these petals out any better than I did just by trying to scrape in some of the white. See, I like things like this where the lighter is against the darker. It almost makes it look like the petal is flipped in a little bit, so I do kind of like that effect. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it. It's okay. I'm not loving it, but it has the feeling of a flower, but it's abstract, and that's good. I can deal with that. So here it is. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out my Instagram. Follow me there at Sandra_Lett. Look below the videos and there's links to my Amazon recommendations. I've got all kinds of products that I use that'll be in there, like the Easy Glide tool, the blow dryer, different things like that. They're in the Amazon link below your video that says show more, or if you're on your mobile device, look at the down arrow and click on the bell in the right corner. That means if you are subscribed, you'll get notifications when I post new videos. Come join my Facebook group down below, and if you want to make a PayPal donation or become a patron on Patreon, I would love to have you. I would really love to have you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. I'll see you next time.